Eating with Lewis by my side. I got my Lewis here in a screen grab. I'm going to do 2 screen grabs. It's from the F1 the movie world premiere. So I get that screwed up sometimes. I'm Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, and today's Sunday, 6th July 2025. And for this eating with, I have 2 Builders chocolate peanut butter protein bars. And these I got on my way to seeing F1 the movie in theaters for the 2nd time, and that was on Friday, 4 July 2025. So here's what it looks like. And the price of the items was for both $4 from a Safeway on Highway 99 in Edmonds, Snohomish County, Washington State. He gave me my Lewis Hamilton. He looks so beautiful in pink. Gave me a $50 bill to see F1 the movie in theaters, and that covered 2 tickets, a snack at each time I went, as well as $3.04 of the $4. So 96 cents of these bars I covered myself. Alright, so that's about the food item. Here he's on the red carpet. So I've done a movie notes video for this, the F1 the movie world premiere. And so, in that one, I focused on my Brad Pitt. So this time I'm focusing on my Lewis Hamilton, but it's not really a movie notes video, so it's me showing off how hot he is, how good looking he is. And here he is. And I want to come back to this because this one kind of got seared in my mind. Like, it kind of looks like he's like a member of the crew of the USS Enterprise. And like, I finished watching the movie, and this visual just kept coming back of him being so good looking. This is good. Protein bar. It's chewy. Requires a little more chomping. And I have seen it in theaters. And so with the money he gave me, I got a box. My snacks were a box of Junior Mints extra large. A reference to the patty size is what the best I could tell. And then the second time I got an order of cheese curds, fried cheese curds, not tossed in salt, with a small bowl of marinara sauce. And it was 83 cheese curds. Like, good sized cheese curds, like maybe like on average an inch long kind of thing, cheese curds. And so I got the Builders bars because I was like, maybe I want to try building my Brad Pitt his first ever Formula 1 race car as a competitor. Or maybe I want to build my Lewis Hamilton his first ever, designed for him entirely, Formula 1 race car as a competitor. He is a Formula 1 race car driver, so he has driven cars before. But I'm talking about like every single thing designed entirely for him. No baseline of a brand standard. Wow. These are very good. And so I was like, maybe my Brad Pitt gives me a budget to go see it one more time before it leaves theaters. And I was like, that would require a budget from him and some sense of timing from me. But what I like about that, if I do go and attempt, you know, we're living together and I attempt building them their own car, each their own car, why might that happen? Why may that actually come to be? Because I have the best support team ever. I have my Brad Pitt and my Lewis Hamilton. And the people or person I'm designing, manufacturing each component all separately and then put together for as my support team. Am I going to eat a bunch of these while making the car? They're good. They're satisfying. He's like, what my Lewis, did not have an allowance for or patience for, but more so an allowance. Patience gets disqualified. That doesn't apply here. Is not taking a snack in, carrying a snack in to seeing a movie in a movie theater. Gotta buy that hefty snack. At the theater itself. So the question is my Brad Pitt the same way? Is it the budget? For movie and snack, then the budget would come from him. The timing from me, as well as the budgeting from me in the sense of spending the money and making sure to do my best that the food is entirely covered by the money it gives me. I'll give these, thinking of actually building a car, these are a 77 out of 10. These would be like superb pairing for that activity for myself. So thank you for joining Lewis and Tanis and Lewis for the starting with.